Ever wondered how to use your Venmo balance for that perfect SHEIN haul? While SHEIN doesn't directly accept Venmo, you can absolutely leverage your funds in a few smart ways to snag your favorite styles. First, if you have a Venmo debit card, you're in luck. Simply treat it like any other debit card during checkout on SHEIN. Just input your card number, expiration date, and security code as usual. Alternatively, you can transfer your Venmo balance directly to your linked bank account once those funds are in your bank. You can then use your regular bank debit or credit card on SHEIN, giving you complete payment flexibility. To do this, open your Venmo app, tap Transfer, then select Instant or Standard Transfer to your bank. Once the money is there, head back to SHEIN and proceed with your purchase using your standard bank card. And for another option, consider loading your Venmo funds onto a prepaid card. Many prepaid cards can be used online just like a regular debit card, making them a great workaround for your SHEIN shopping. So go ahead and shop smart and get that amazing SHEIN wardrobe you've been eyeing, all powered by your Venmo funds.